Hello. So today we're going to talk about how to remove the user account from Windows through the Registry Editor. In order to do this, you're going to have to run regedit.exe as administrator. This is very helpful in removing or disconnecting unused accounts that are in Windows that might take up space. Just be very careful when doing it. Any mistake here can pretty much be fatal to the way Windows operates, and you just got to be very careful and make sure to delete the correct account. Okay, so we're running regedit as exe as administrator, and then the next step is we're going to navigate to this path right here, which is HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, and ProfileList. There's sometimes, depending on the system, a second category that you'll have to deal with called ProfileGuid. So it looks like ProfileGuide. So what you want to do is here, you're going to find the profile that that you want to get rid of, and you will simply right click and delete it. Just make sure you're doing a profile that you're not using. Don't do the one you're currently on. So you want to delete that. So you just right click that whole S whatever coded folder it is, delete, and you'll just confirm by hitting yes. Okay, and then for the case with the ProfileGuid, you want to find the same. It's not always the case, but it's not always here. But you want to find it's in the coding of the of that folder, so you have to make sure that it matches with ProfileGuid. So then you would have to delete the corresponding folder with however it was named at one piece of it in the profile list. But you don't have to worry about this step if ProfileGuid is not present. Again, be very careful when doing any of this. Okay, the next step is so now what you want to do is you want to navigate to see users, and you want to find that old profile that you deleted from the registry. You just want to put just an addition to rename it, to add either .old or old, just so it's labeled as inactive. That way, if you ever want to make a similar profile with a similar name, at least you have the old folder there. It's also better for the system that it knows to tell it that the folder is no longer there, that the account is no longer there. So it's always better to add that .old. And last step is the easiest, is you got to restart your system for these changes to take effect. So just go ahead and reboot, and you come back. That profile will no longer be there. So you've removed it through the registry, and this is good for cases when you want to retain the old data. In a previous video, I explained that you can delete a profile from View Advanced, but then you lose all the data. So the good thing about doing it from the registry is you get to keep the data. You just want to add that .old to the folder. And that's it.